Good day YouTube, Davis here. I'm back with another video. This is some Mzansi's finest videos. Hope guys you enjoy these videos. Let me know. Kasi stories.
Social country.
And upon a wabula, you. Wabula. I wonder what they are with.
Oh boy. This guy just stole evidence. A case is open. The hand is not very sensual.
Hey baba,
Basbule.
wathula nje kwenzakalani manje? Fana. Cela ube honest. Yeah. Ngiyabonakala ukuthi ngibuye ejele ne?
2 minutes.
Ngiyabonakala. Amfani nomona. So wena ngokuhlala nje 2 weeks nje boma hosepipe nyana ulokhu nje uboshelwe hosepipe so wena 2 weeks weekend futhi asina 2 weeks weekend Friday bakuthatha Saturday Sunday Monday uya attend so umuntu nejele wena ngiboshelwe hosepipe
Yeah.
wena nihlala ukhuluma into ongazazi ngeke ulunge ejele njalo ngihlala ngikutshela
Awu.
ngeke nje ulunge ejele futhi ngiyeke khuluma kakhulu
Uyazile uthi.
Sithanda sami bokumnandi ukuba nawe this week yo ngizokubhadalela iBolt namhlanje khona ukuhamba yiki ngene. It's okay sithanda sami. Ngizohlala enye week ngizohamba next week yabo. Okay sithanda sami.
Another week. Hey kumnandi mus. Kudliwa nakhona. Bekayaphi moyeni. Ubambile ngithi.
La itse ba bana ba kolota wa bona and ntwe affectile chelete ya rena social nyana wa bona like and la itse a re dile ka paperwork le boletse ka taba ya bankeng eng and ra dumellana ka yona ke so
Ke December.
go straight to the
Khona le di stories. Excuses.
What's fun so? Oh, batswadi khopala mfeng monyetlo ke re fahla. Ngiyakhumbula mina ngithi a710 Capitec nina nathi 7 FNB. Ansho ngiyakhumbula ngitshela ukuthi FNB ama charges akhona maninjani. Like re ore akaye Muslim Kolum.
Yeah, I twisisi.
Bas charge 15,000 ama fees.
khonale zamana kolota
o setse sorry
Maka.
miyela ngabala bula mfundisi endama mfundisi abala guys okay ke la emanyana mo le mongwe la kwa itse re chelete ai me tshwantsa grab ka pila ne wa itse ke na nexa kolota na nexa kolota
why wena sa kolota mara na re kolota
kolota wa mai
so kolota re na wena
kolota njani ngumunga kolota
5,000 last month.
Badlimele society.
Okay. Ansho
Social.
umuthi sothenga ama flower.
arabulela ka dijo re tseka thelete
December grocery
We want money.
man endama bana balava mpahla Christmas tava mbarisa man kiss man bolela hape me bra mana
Ai.
jani
Mabashiso.
hayi nomhlolo wenzayo manje it's raining my umbrella yani into enjani saba manzi wona kahle usho ukuthi awugezi awuyangihlaza phela
Uzophathwa yiflu baba.
bangabe usaba imvula thenga imoto ke
Imbuzi yawo. Ivala amehlo imbuzi.
Ngola mhlekazi,
wala
kunomuntu othi ucela uthengele into eselayo apha.
ubani
Ngiyamhlekazi.
Yo.
ngicela le
Alright, hayi kulungile, ngiyabuya.
Ulona Slay Queen.
Hayi, lo muntu akasekho.
Udle phansi.
Okay.
ene mo lifeng le thuto ja monate o ka se re moshimana o reketse yogurt le December wa re tsa mo go rukisang ya khonala ma hola
Barata.
ke na yona bosa
Ke tshwere ko romela.
ke wait
No. I'm just saying, right? Before we do anything hasty, let's just see what they say.
Deadbeat
Right.
fathers.
So, ngizokufonela ne.
Bye papa.
Ukhuluma nami.
Yes,
Come here.
yes,
Wosala,
Papa.
Come here. Listen. asimele ama-DNA test results kuqala ne. So for now, wangibiza ngoBralu ne. Sure.
Oh papa.
Uyamkhumbula ukuthi uMavesta bekanokuyenzani masimcela ilift bese sitshela ukuthi yena ngeke azakhona imoto yomlungu le.
Yeah.
Bamthathela itaxi.
Hayi wena. Wazohlanya. Bamthathela itaxi boy.
Wow.
Manje
so uchaza ukuthini mawuthi mina ngiyahlanya. Ngilike ngikutshela into khona manje ngoMavesta wena utshela mina ukuthi ngiyahlanya.
Angisho ukuthi uyahlanya. Mangithi ungazohlanya mfethu ubobheka iexpression yami, hayi into engisho. Mangithi ungazohlanya. Ngichaza ukuthi le story osikhulumayo nje yami uyasizwa nawe sinjani. So asibelieveki. Ngizama ukuthi oza nazo. Yikho ngithi manje kanti wawuhlala ngathi ungicuphile.
But ukuhlanya kungena phi? Ungathi ngiyahlanya mina. Ungathi ngiyahlanya.
Ayihadi mfethu.
Mawufuna silwe usho silwe. Inkinga ukuthi ngiyakusaba.
Ethu nanoma impilo ngabanzima kanjani ne ungalinge umilo umjida lo shawa ngempama maqeda glass sihlanyisi alibela around ayenza ama phone call angasile
ubiza bangani
alanda nebhamu anganazo please.
Excuses of a cheating partner. Kufi ngochita.
Patsalang.
Okay.
Ke mango.
Ke motho why? Oh, excellent into icabangayo nje. Eish, net mina na isimakhazini yabo sirelate. Uma makhe makabona umama athi dumelang. Yeah, athi dumelang. Ngiyakhumbula manje. Nayizolo bahlangane bathi dumelang boyithu yabo. And so manje ngibona ngiphethe nama headset because
handset.
Angizwanga ukuthi ngibambe umuntu oronye yabo because lama headset lawa ayarasa. So mangwafakile so angizwe ukuthi ngihamba nomuntu oronye.
Bashima.
You understand? So yeah man, asindaba lezo ukuthi ngiyathi. Yazi ngiyuchite.
Yo.
Eish.
Yo.
Nalento lethu ubona la white asulanga ngayo handy end yabo ichithekile. Mara weka into ezitsha yachithe iskipa sami wesihlelele. Eish Jomara, I hope you understand. No, jo kopalo samakala is like ke wanhlalwani.
Nakamakala wena. Umakaleta buti. Umthaka.
Baby, I can explain. Motas mopa.
Yeah, nah.
Guess for. Na kopalo di direction ngire. Amutwaga wena. Amutwaga. Yeah, baby. Na kopalo di direction is good. Are, I don't know kopalo direction. Yeah.
You are dating a broker.
Yes, love.
Ngisaqala ngicela nge2 ngifuna ukuthenga airtime.
I thinking na something velas.
Okay.
Oh, nayisheleni love. Ungawari ngizokhuluma no my friend ngithola ukuthi i190 uzoyithola.
Oh nini?
Maybe month end nakhona if ngiyayithola imali vele.
Like are you serious right now?
Yes,
true.
He is serious.
Fine. Ngizovele ngicela ubabami.
Bengicela ukuthi mokhuluma nobaba wakho nami ungithengele e5 cause ngiyazi ukuthi uzokupha imali eningi.
Okay.
Yes. You, Baba.
Okay, Notando, how would you design and implement a medical system?
Thanks for the question. The first thing I'll do to design is to find the primary purpose of the manifest system.
Okay.
Also find the integrity.
Bro, has somebody ever been telling you about a problem that they have? And while they're telling you about the problem, you realize, not only can I not help you, I also don't care, bro. Like...
What problem?
And it gets technical because you can't tell a person that it's too rude. But there's certain problems... Come on, bro. Because there's problems where I can't help you, but I can care. Like if you say, hey, my mom's in hospital, it's like, alright, dog, you get me? I care, okay. I'm invested. But now you want to tell me, hey, there's a dog that runs into my yard and it does this. Come on.
It poos.
Tell that to your lady, your girlfriend, your wife, whatever. You guys can. But me, I don't...
It poops. Man. It was only mal. Guys, thanks for making it this far and thanks for watching and supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. That's it.
Yeah. Mamela. Ngifuna babone kweyamilali kasendikanya ngiqithi inkanyezi ngichumbani ntoza kuthi mamelani uba unifile ngokunlayite njengesibani Thixo hamba nami Thixo hlala nami Thixo hamba nami Thixo hey hlala nami hey bathi nizokwenza kakhulu awamamaqala baphethe umakhulu into endiyenzayo inkulu nandithi nizophambana ngoba inzulu ndibulela umdali wezulu nomhlaba ndaphuncuka ndaba sisikhulu bheka namhlanje ndizama kanjani ndaqala ndimncinci kakhulu kema khale ngiphanda ngisipanela ngikhomi ngiyamurata ngithi bantle tshelete mewayibatla ngidla kudla molide ngithwele tshelete bampitha mkhulu cause they praise my hustle ngifuna babone kweyamilali kasendikanya ngiqithi inkanyezi ngichumbani ntoza kuthi mamelani uba unifile ngokunlayite njengesibani Thixo hamba nami Thixo hlala nami Thixo hamba nami Thixo hlala nami ngibonga mvela inqanga ngibanga lidixa wangenza ngakhula ngaqina monga ngazi mina ngiphuma kwandlwana ngisilwe sakhula sisinda kumama nobaba ngiyabonga babangazinyoni ezasindwa zisila manje ngikhulile ngifundile nophahla lakithi lungivikelile god damn I'm feeling up around the world telling everyone I'm okay I spread my wings then fly high straight on the mountain ooh, I'm so fly I'm so fly ngifuna babone kweyamilali kasendikanya ngiqithi inkanyezi ngichumbani ntoza kuthi mamelani uba unifile ngokunlayite njengesibani Thixo hamba nami Thixo hlala nami Thixo hamba nami Thixo hlala nami
Vamos já,